Welcome to JK News Network. Here you're listening to English Bulletin with Prabha Sharma. We bring news from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news coverage. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday said a Pakistani minister's admission on his country's involvement in the 2019 Pulwama attack had revealed the truth on the matter and silenced those who had questioned the India government intent on the issue. His statement came at an election rally held a day after senior Pakistani minister Fawad Chaudhry sensationally admitted that his country was responsible for the Pulwama terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir that killed 40 CRPF personnel and brought the two countries to the brink of war. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on Friday appealed to people to not get misled by those who ignored women and backward classes during their rule. At an election rally, he said, "They are talking today, but what was the condition of women earlier? They were ignored." Without naming RJD Chief Lalu Prasad, Mr. Kumar said, when he was sent to jail, he installed his wife Rabdi Devi on the chair, but did nothing for the welfare of women otherwise. Mr. Prasad, who became Chief Minister of Bihar on 1990, had anointed his wife on the CM chair after he was sent to jail in 1997 over multi-crore fodder scam cases. Mr. Kumar said when he got the opportunity to work, he gave reservation to women in panchayats and urban local bodies, besides providing quotas to SC/STs. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Friday said after the coronavirus pandemic ends, arrangements will be made for darshan of Lord Rama from every village in the state. In Ayodhya, construction of Ram temple is on. Had there been no COVID-19, we would have made arrangements to send everyone from villages to Ayodhya, the CM said while addressing our gathering here. The Chief Minister was at Valmiki Ashram in Chitrakoot's Lalpur village on the occasion of Maharshi Valmiki Jayanti. The Central Cooperative NAFED will soon begin importing onions in a bid to tame soaring prices, Food and Consumer Affairs Minister Piyush Goyal said on Friday. The government is already facilitating import of the kitchen staple by private traders, with 7,000 tons of the bulb already having arrived in the country, and another 25,000 tons expected to arrive before Deepavali. In the week since the centre imposed stock limits, invoking the provisions of the newly amended Essential Commodities Act, the All India average retail price of onions has continued to rise, increasing by ₹10 to almost 66 rupees per kg, although Mr. Goyal emphasized that the prices have largely remained stable over the last 3 days. Apart from imports, he expressed the hope that the expected arrival of the new Kharif crop next month would also help to cool down prices. State on Friday reported 3,589 new cases, taking the total number to 8,20,398. With these, the positivity rate for the day came to 3.47%. With 49 new deaths, the total rose to 11,140. This is apart from 19 non-COVID-19 deaths, with as many as 17 districts reporting 0 deaths on Friday. The case fatality rate touched 1.37%. That's all for today. Keep connected to JK News Network for more such updates.